playing more Adopt Me Roblox. There's still a new update today because today's April Fool's Day, April 1st, 2020. I'm gonna be seeing what people offer for the panda. Okay, guys. So let's over to the gift display right now. We had a fantastic day too. I'll be giving away a Lunox to any people that are a fan of mine. I'll be giving it away to that person. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and bring out the panda. Or should I bring out a horse? I have a neon horse now. Guys, I'm gonna keep it because it's a good thing I have it. I'm gonna be trading this. Okay, guys. And also, guys, you can only, whenever you leave the game, if you already have the cat, it'll take away your 2D cat. But I can show you all, go ahead and show y'all guys what it looks like. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like. It's a 2D cat. It's full grown. It can fly and it can ride. And also, it looks just like that. See, guys? Like that. It's paper, guys. Anyways, let's go ahead and find my panda. Because where'd it go, guys? Here we go. I'm gonna say, if my thing pops up, I'll be saying trading panda. Trading panda. Trading panda. Ah. Anyways. I'm gonna make sure my trades are on. Okay, yes. Okay, guys. Let's be seeing what I be getting offered today. And if I already get this traded, I'll be trading something else. But we'll see. Guys, that was going to be a good offer, but now it ain't. So I'm going to go ahead and completely decline. Let's see, what else is there? Let's see, I'm going to be putting my lemonade stand out for people who want to pay me. And also, guys, I'm hoping you have a fantastic day. I want to hit at least 100 subscribers at least right now. Okay, guys. So let's see, guys. I don't like Spanish because I can't even read Spanish. I'm gonna trade this person. I'm gonna be offering this for the person because I feel really bad. Is he gonna offer anything? Because I'm trying to be nice here. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna have to accept because I feel really bad for him. Sorry about that sound. Guys, be right back. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. I didn't confirm that because I feel bad. Oh, sorry guys. One sec, guys. Here we go, guys. Back to train. I'm so sorry about that. Super sorry. But I'm hoping I can hit 100 subscribers. Now, guys, what is that? That's just a normal dog. I'm really trying to figure out what I want to trade, guys. But what? He's actually nice, but watch. He's trolling me. Okay, guys? He might be trolling. Guys, this might be his only pet. So he's going to decline. But guys, if he accepts, I'm going to be super surprised. Guys, he's so nice. I feel like he wants it back. But since he gave me his only pet, I'm going to give him a cat too. But why stop there? I can give him a little bit more to help him. Because I'm just trying to be nice to people. Because I don't want to take stuff from people that only have that thing. So guys, I'll be right back as soon as this trade is done. Yeah, confirm. Okay, there we go, guys. Be right back.